From Kansas City's weather leader, here's JD Rudd with your 41 Action News forecast.
So great to have you here on KSHB.com on this Friday. Thanks for checking things out. I know a lot of folks might be watching because you've got travel plans, know somebody who's going in and out. Satellite and radar picture as of the lunch hour on Friday. Rain down to the south. This entire system, even with that pink, that wintry mix trying to change over into snow, is going to push its way north as we go tonight and through the day on Saturday. So what can we expect? Latest computer forecast model showing us by 7 o'clock tonight some of that rain trying to push in. Temperatures are going to be critical for us tonight into Saturday. We're expected to be in the upper 30s this afternoon. That should keep us in the middle 30s this evening, but overnight we'll see an area right around 31, 32. That's where we could see some of this rain trying to change over into snowfall, and this could lead to some slick spots, namely down the turnpike in some areas up through I-70. We'll keep close eyes on that. By early Saturday morning, notice the temperatures. Computer forecast models saying basically I-70 and south is above freezing, so you'll see rain. You go a little farther north, though, you're right there on that freezing mark, if not a little below. So that's the most likely area to see any kind of rain changing over into snow. Then going more into the morning hours Saturday to about Saturday afternoon, all of us should be right around freezing or just a hair above. And we actually draw in some drier air in this storm system. Weather geeks will know this term. We call this the dry slot being pulled in here. So that'll shut off the rain for us, essentially. That's why you see drier air, no rain falling on the computer forecast model, but we're not done on the back side of this as things pull through for Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Now here comes that snow as the cold air continues to filter in, but again, notice off in our eastern counties, rain trying to change over into snow. Here again, this could lead to some travel troubles on some of the roadways depending upon if they're treated and just how much of that rain tries to turn over into snow. And then by late Saturday into Sunday morning, a lot of this winds down. I'm not optimistic of hefty snowfall numbers. Been saying for a while that the metro area would see next to nothing, inch, maybe 2 inches. That's about it. You go a little farther north and northwest, that's the most likely area to see any kind of heavier snowfall numbers, if you will, around 2 to 4 inches. But again, that may be on the higher end based off the new information. All this depends upon how much snow we lose to rain. Bottom line, if it rains more than it snows, you're not going to see as much snow. So if you want the snow, you'll hope for the cold air to kind of get involved a little bit sooner. We'll continue to update this forecast. If you are traveling at all on Saturday, rain expected off in the eastern part of the country, snow to the north and northwest, and some morning ice not out of the question. And then again in the evening with that system kind of passing through that transitional area right across our neck of the woods. Go figure. One other thing to let you know, the potential impacts here, slick spots due to the freezing rain, any kind of sleet. Watch out for black ice on Saturday, and then snowfall Saturday evening may limit your travel. I know a lot of things to talk about here, but kind of a system which may impact many. For most of today, should be dry. Temperatures in the upper 30s. The rain arrives late tonight. So here's kind of the timeline on that rain. After about 8, 9 o'clock, the odds start going up, and then overnight into tomorrow morning, we could see that transition of rain trying to change over to snow, which could lead to a few slick spots. Regardless of how much snow you pick up, it is going to be cold for Sunday into Monday. Look at the overnight lows. Highs may struggle to reach the teens by the middle part of next week. Hello.